Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tessa. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make porridge potatoes. So first we need the potatoes. We need to peel the potatoes. After peeling the potatoes, we'll gather the ingredients. These are the ingredients: pepper, Maggi, vegetable, salt. Because of the current hype in gas prices, most families have stopped using gas cookers, and because of that, we are going to be using charcoal stove for this potato porridge. And after gathering the ingredients, we need to make fire with the charcoal. And set the potato on fire. Very simple. So you pour in the ingredients. This is the Maggi, the onions. After 10 minutes of boiling, palm oil is optional. You can add palm oil if you want. Pepper, and you allow it to boil for more 30 minutes. Then you add the vegetable. Let it down for 10 more minutes. After stirring, that's all, and the potato is ready.